ABI Multifamily is pleased to present the Baywalk Manor Apartments. Located at 4470 through 4482 Bond Street between Hornblend Street and Magnolia Avenue. Baywalk Manor is a 14-unit apartment complex conveniently located in the very desirable San Diego submarket of Pacific Beach, or better known as PB to most San Diegans. Built in 1957, Baywalk Manor is conveniently located just minutes from the world-renowned beaches of Mission and Pacific Beach, as well as all the recreational opportunities available on Mission Bay, the country's largest aquatic park. 1 block west of the property is access to the Mission Bay Bike Trail, which offers riders 12 miles of flat scenic paths along the bay and beaches. Additionally, there is convenient access to Interstate 5, Interstate 8, and Highway 52. The property consists of a great unit mix of 6 one-bedroom and 8 two-bedroom units, one of which is a semi-detached single-story cottage with a private patio. There is an on-site management office with direct access to a garage, which can be rented for additional income or used for storage and as a property workshop. There is a common coin-op laundry room with 2 washers and 2 dryers that are owned by the property. The new owner will inherit a property that has benefited by several recent capital improvements completed in early 2018. The upgrades include all new roofs, fascia, and additional cool roof coating with a 10-year renewable warranty. Additionally, the property boasts all new windows and doors throughout, as well as a fresh Rhino Shield exterior paint coating with a 25-year warranty. As of the date of this offering, 11 of the 14 unit interiors have been remodeled, including fresh bathrooms, durable flooring, appliances, and interior wood treatments, including wainscoting, to create a beach cottage feel with upgraded two-tone paint. The outstanding condition of this property, coupled with the high-demand location of Pacific Beach, has created a desirable turnkey investment opportunity for someone who craves a property that consists of apartment homes that are easy to manage and will provide stable income with lower than average vacancy and maintenance costs for years to come. There is an adjacent 8-unit apartment property that can be purchased together or separately with this offering. Contact the listing broker for more information on this opportunity. To access the document vault and all due diligence materials, including the offering memorandum, please visit our website at abimultifamily.com or contact Eric Turner or Patrick Doyle.